Hi everybody, so today we are going to create a Christmas tree card that you can share with your friends and everything like that. So instead of printing out cards or writing cards or things like that, you can actually create a digital card for people to share. So we're going to do this using Angular, and we're doing it using stackblitz.com. So stackblitz.com is this online website where you can just click on whatever you want to use. These are different technologies. And we're going to use Angular. And with Angular, we're going to be editing HTML and CSS. So if we go into stackblitz, click on this app thing right here and go to your app component.html, and you can see we can do something like Merry Christmas everyone, and I can say from Tracy, right? Now if I want that to be on a different line, all I have to do is I can create another P tag here. The P stands for paragraph, so I'm creating another paragraph, and I'm just sticking right there, from Tracy. There we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use it. Well, let's use another tag. So an H1 tag is a header 1, which is bigger than a P1, and I can say my Christmas card. See how big that is? Or I can say like H2 if I want it to be smaller. You can see it's smaller right here. So let's keep it H1 because I think I like H1, you know, right? And I can even do things like add a marquee tag, marquee, and end my marquee tag right there. And it can say, it'll scroll like that. See, it says my Christmas card. Isn't that pretty cool? Okay, so now let's get really exciting, and let's go ahead and add an image. So anytime you want to know how to do anything with HTML, you see we're editing this thing, it says .html, so that's the type of thing, the type of technology we're using, the language we're using. We can say how to write, or how to add an image in HTML, And if I click on that, I can go over here and I can do this w3schools.com. You can do anything you like, right? You have headings, paragraphs, colors. We wanted images, right? So with images, we can see that, you know, there's an image tag right here, and then there's a source, which is where you're getting the picture from, and then the alternative text. So I'm going to go ahead and take that. I'm going to copy and paste it in here. So it's image, source, and the alternative text. If they can't find the picture, if this website can't find the picture, then it will go ahead and show Mountain View for me. So I actually want a Christmas tree here. Christmas tree. And we'll find a Christmas tree. Girl Scout. Let's see, Girl Scout Christmas tree. It looks like there's a bunch of Girl Scout Christmas tree images here. So maybe we want to show them these Girl Scout glitter ornaments right here. So we can click on that, and you can see there's an image right here. So let's see if that works. I'm copy pasting from here. I'm copy pasting that image that I found, and I'm putting it right in the source right here, which is a URL, and oh my gosh, look at that. So we have this really cool Girl Scouts thing, and it says Merry Christmas everyone. Maybe we can say from Troop 888, right? So actually, if we go to this over here, let's go to that URL. I'm going to copy paste that URL, and you'll be able to see that there's a cool Christmas tree right here. Merry Christmas, everyone. So that image is a little bit big, and I don't really like that marquee, so I'm going to make it a little bit prettier. I'm going to take out that marquee because I don't really like it. And this image is really big, so I can change the image size if I want, but let me just find another picture that I think will be cool. So maybe, let's see. I mean, this is a pretty cool image, so maybe we want this image. Salt dough ornaments. And it looks like all rights reserved. So maybe we want gingerbread cookie picture. And this is actually a really cute picture, right? So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to say view image. This is just Google. I Googled gingerbread cookie and I found an image. And then you'll see it over here, and I'm going to copy the image address. Oops. Oh, you see, I copied that image address and nothing happened. And the alternative text is Christmas tree, so that tells me that that image didn't work. But we could try to find another image, like this one right here. Let's go to view image. And it looks like that image doesn't work either. Let's see. So let's see if that works. There we go. We have cool gingerbread. So that's a really big picture. So we probably want to move that picture down and this verbiage up, right? So people can see. Maybe we just say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Buy more Girl Scout cookies. Could say something like that, and again, we can go to that website right there, and you'll see that there's a really cool thing right here, right? Let's say we want to say buy more Girl Scout cookies, and we want to add a link. So add link tag HTML. Add link HTML. So again, W3 Schools right here, and it'll tell you right here what you can do. So this says visit our HTML tutorial. Okay, so we're going to copy paste that. We're going to go back to our code. And we're going to say copy paste that, and you see now if you click on that, it says visit our HTML tutorial, and that's the URL, right? So where do you buy Girl Scout cookies? Girl Scout cookies. Maybe you guys have your own URL for Girl Scout cookies or something like that, but you can buy the cookies. How to buy. You can copy paste that right here, that URL that we just found, put it right here, and we can change it to say visit our site for buying cookies. There we go. I'm just going to copy paste that. Copy paste that URL that we got. And then all of a sudden, Merry Christmas, buy more Girl Scout cookies. And I can click on that, and it's going to take me to buy Girl Scout cookies over here. So y'all should try to create your own cool Christmas card with this. Now another cool thing you can do is you can actually share this. So do you see that share button right there? So this is the URL that you can give to people if you just want to give them the Christmas card. But you can also click share here, and this is the editor URL. So if I click on that and I copy paste it, copy paste that, then if I open up a new web page and I click on it, then if I want to send this to somebody else and I want them to edit it with me, like let's say I wanted to send it to my dad or something, I can click on app. Oh no, that didn't work. Well, that must be a bug with their technology right now. But regardless, you can see the application right there. So it's pretty freaking cool. Maybe it's this right here, /edit. Let's see if that works. Hmm. Nope, not working right now. So sometime in the future, you will be able to click that share button and share your code with people, but right now it's not working. So you can create this, share it again with people, share it on the internet, um, see this really cool website that you've created. It's bundling the app right now. It's building the application. It's taking a little bit of time to do that. Let's go ahead and save that. Try again. So I think I might have broken something. So don't click on that yet. This is still a very new very new technology. But you do not want to click on share yet and share with this. I mean, you can try, but maybe not such a good idea yet. This is still bundling that. Regardless, this is a cool way to create Christmas cards. Let's just go ahead and see if that works. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoys creating their own Christmas card this holidays.